Hello everyone, welcome to this session and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at how to create and save a file in Microsoft Access database. Okay, we're going to look at how to create and we save a file in Microsoft database. To start with, there are two options that you can use. One, should go to the start button, okay, or what you call the office button. Then you look for all applications, okay, for all applications. Under all those applications, you look for where there is a access. You look for that program, which is, you might have program 216. Okay, you click on it, then it will open. Okay, once it opens, select a blank desktop database. Okay, then give it a name here. You can put demo, and you can browse where you want to save it. You want it on desktop. Okay, so I can browse and put it on desktop, and click OK and click create. There you would have created your Microsoft Access file database with just this default table. Okay, let's create another way using the other way shortcut. You right click, okay, another way, you right click on desktop, go to new, then select for that Microsoft Access database. Okay, then you can name it as demo. Okay, then you name it as demo. Actually, I want to name it as demo 2 because I already have demo 1. Okay, then you can right click on it and open it. Okay, when you open it, you'll find like you have a database there. You have this access here, the quick access toolbar. You have the title bar there. Okay, you have the cross button this side. Okay, along this side you have the ribbon. Okay, ribbon comes with all these options. Okay, and you can get use of them. Okay, and save. You can come here and click on save and save as, and you click where you want to save it. If I want to desktop, I click on desktop. Okay, and I can click save. Okay, yes, that's all how you can create and save your file. Okay, you can see these are the two files that we have created in our Microsoft Access database. Thank you very much.